Good morning, everybody. What is up? How's everybody doing this morning? You guys like that? You guys like that screen? Did you like that whole like starting soon screen? Took me like all day yesterday to figure out how to do all this stuff on OBS. But I figured it out, man. I figured it out. Brad, what's up, bro? What's up? Will, good morning, good morning. Angelo, what's up, bro? Better like that, yeah, dude. Yeah, adds that little bit of just professionalism to the stream. Also, there should be notifications now every time someone subscribes, so it should pop up right above my head here. So if someone subscribes, it should go through Streamlabs, and Streamlabs goes through OBS, and OBS shows the screen. So, yeah. Please show me how to do this for my lives. Bro, yeah, for sure. I mean, I watched like, I don't know how many YouTube videos to do this, but for sure, 100%. OBS is king, man. OBS is king. And then I'm finally using Epidemic Sounds. I've been paying for an Epidemic Sounds account for a while for my wife's YouTube channel and for my stuff, but I've never used it for live stream. So I'm using it now, so I shouldn't get demonetized this time. We should be good. Should be good. Hold on, I'm just adjusting. I forgot to do this earlier, but you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Alberto, good morning, man. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. And then I have my Stream Deck here. I'm still learning how to use it, but got my Stream Deck. Gonna add like sounds and, you know, I don't know, coming up with different ideas. So if you have ideas, just feel free to send it over. Oh, and I can do this. What's that? What do you guys think about this? Huh? Huh? I don't know if I set up the music and sound on the main camera for vertical, but buttons, transitions, you know. Wolf, how was your weekend? Dang it, Wolf, have I made a Twitter yet? No! No! I have it. Weekend was good. I had to do some work Saturday night for a client of mine, so I drove out there. It was fun. It was a little party to celebrate their 2 years in business. Congrats to you, Sir Josh. You ever watched this? And then I watched this movie called Mercy. It was good. It was good. It just got a little crazy towards the end. I don't know if you guys heard about it. It's with Chris Pratt. It was a good movie. It was AI being the judge and executioner. Good little glimpse of the future and how LA turns into this crazy hot spot. And it just got a little bit crazy towards the end. A little unbelievable, but you know, good movie overall. But yeah, yesterday I came here at like 2 o'clock, learned OBS, and then I had to do some work, and I left here at like 6:30. Oh, and then I bought a new lens for my camera. It's expensive. I got it for like a huge discount, but hold on, let me show you guys. So I've been waiting for this lens to hit Facebook Marketplace at a decent price. Brand new, this 16 to 35 millimeter lens is extremely expensive. It's like $2,000 brand new. But this guy on Facebook Marketplace posted it last night because there's some damage in the corner. There's damage right there. And I got it for $1,100 with this fancy filter on the lens. So now, you know, my client shoots are going to be that much better. They deserve it, man. They pay me, and I want to make sure they're happy, and that requires me to upgrade my setup sometimes. So that's that. But guys, I came in here yesterday. I was working, like I said, 2 o'clock. I was like just working. And thankfully, I saw a nice little short setup. I just went in and I scalped it for $277 to officially be on the 5th day of green above $150. So if you don't know, with TopStep, you have to have 5 winning trades or 5 winning days above $150 to qualify for a payout. With a live personal account with your own money, that stuff is fugazi. You can take the money out whenever you want, right? But with this prop firm, with the prop firm mentality, they require you to have X amount of days in profit for you to take a payout. And yeah, that sometimes gets to me, but they gamify this thing so that you can like focus on that 5th day and lose money, and then, you know, lose the account. Like, and I've done that so many times where you get into profit and you're ready to take payout, and then boom, you blow it up because on that 5th day you're trying to just scalp $150. But I've done it, and I wait for the setup, and I see it, and I just take it. And we're above $150, so we're requesting a payout of $2,400 and some change. So super excited to request payout today. I already locked myself out for the rest of the day. 9 hours and 6 minutes. I'm locked out. Can't do anything on this account. So yeah, super happy about that. And then we have this Express account, which we already requested payout. And that should be hitting today. So that should be hitting funds sent today. Lord willing, we'll see. And you know, let me get the record straight here. I want to show these things because I want to show payouts. I want to show that because I want to show that I'm legit. Like, I am not a guru. I don't want to be like those gurus. I want to show that this is real because I was just trading 5.5 years ago, 6 years ago, losing money in a spiral. So I just want to show that this is real. I don't want to show that it's fake. I know there are people who probably think it's fake, and that's okay, but I want to show proof that it's real. Number 2, the reason why I want to show this is because I'm just a regular Joe Schmo guy. I'm just like anybody else. And showing profitability and doing it live is a whole other thing, but showing that it's real and I'm doing it live and you can get payouts gives somebody out there a little bit of hope, okay? And whenever I got into trading, it was like a bunch of guys that I was following that are very smart and have technical analysis, and they know what they have all these like cool terminologies, and they sounded really smart, and I was okay with that, but it just made me feel like I couldn't achieve what they got, right? And now where I'm at, I've learned like less is more, and I want to just show people that you don't have to know everything about the charts. You don't have to know everything about technical analysis. You don't even have to know about market sentiment as much as you think you do, like macroeconomics and all these, you know, big words. You don't have to. You just have to be patient. You just have to be focused. You have to know yourself. And I'm not even saying I'm perfect. I still make mistakes and I'm still learning. But I am profitable for this month, and I 100% know. I'm humble enough to understand I can blow this all up today. I can literally go on tilt and lose it all and start all over again. So yeah, sorry for that little rant, but I was just thinking about it yesterday or today. Like, I was asking myself, why am I making these payout videos? Why am I showing people that I'm profitable? Well, because there's so many fake people out there that I feel like I have to show that I'm real. You know, that I am making money from prop firms. Because I know people think prop firms are scams. There are scam prop firms, but there are prop firms that pay out. And these prop firms actually do pay out. Like, with this payout, I'm going to be at almost $15,000 in less than 30 days with TopStep. They paid me out. You know what I mean? I wouldn't be trading with them if they don't pay out. All right, so there you go. How long do they take to send you the payout, Angelo? Now that I've like steadily requested, about 2 business days. Okay, let's jump into the charts. That's some nice glasses. Nice glasses. What do you mean? What you mean, Fred? I got the poster. Okay. Okie dokie, people. Okie dokie, everybody. How long did it take you to pass your 50K combine? The first set, I think it was like 2 weeks that we traded live together. Yeah, it was about 2 weeks. I passed a combine a while ago. I don't know when it was, and and then I blew it up. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know when that was, but you need glasses. I said nice glass. The new oh. I see. Sorry, bro. Yes. Yeah, there's like this filter, I forgot to call it, glimmer glass or something like that, and it has this has a bunch of glimmer in it, I should say. Oh, you guys probably can't see it, but inside of there's like a bunch of little sparkles on the lens, and it adds like a hazy, dreamy effect to video recording. So excited to use that. Dang, bro, that's pretty quick. Yeah, on combines, I try to push the envelope a little bit. I try to risk a little bit more to pass quicker. We still have this combine where we need $1,500 to pass today, so I'm gonna, instead of taking something risky that I usually do and then maybe lose a little bit, and then I just like go on tilt on the evals or the combines and then I blow it up, I'm just gonna wait or good setup and see if we can pass the combine today. But you know, it is what it is. If I don't pass it, I don't pass it today. So that's cool. Never seen a lens filter like that. I know, bro. Me neither. But the guy had it, and I looked it up. They're usually like $275 for the filter, and he's like, "Oh, I'm trying to sell it." I was like, "Well, how about $75?" He's like, "Deal." It's unfortunate. He needed a cash, and he posted it, and I within the hour was already buying it from him. But that's why I'm on Facebook Marketplace religiously. I'm on there just waiting for a deal, bro. And then I found the lens I've been waiting for. And he posted it up, $1,350. I was like, oh my gosh, that is cheap. You know, usually it's like $2,000. And then I lowballed him at $950. He's like, nah, I can't do that. I was like, how about $1,150 or $1,050? Can you beat me there? And he's like, bro, I got somebody that wants it for $1,100. I was like, scratch it. I'll take it for $1,100. Oh man. Okay, so I was doing this subconsciously, but if we jump into the charts now, we have a 1 hour supply that we have already tapped in. Okay, right up here. Market's a bit choppy on the 1 hour. We zoom down to the 5 minute, and now we have a break of structure right here. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. And then we have, we didn't create a new higher high. We failed. We broke below this last lower high. And now we want to look to go short up in this 5 minute supply. Now, it may not come back up here, but if it does, that's something I'd like to do to go long, or to go short. It's just leaving without us. You know, it's just leaving without us. But I do like this setup. I think this is a good setup. It follows the parameters that we're looking for. It's in a 1 hour supply. We could also add in this trend line break if we want to add in extra confluence. Boom. Boom. Guys, if you're just watching us, good morning. We are looking at NQ and gold. If you could, everybody just help me out by tapping that like button. You know what I mean? It's just YouTube and this like button thing. They like when people hit the like button. I don't know. YouTube's just like that. You know, they're like, the more people that hit the like button, the more we're going to push you out to other people. I don't know. It's just how they work. So it would mean so much to me if I could earn a tap on the like button. It's the free way to support the channel and support me and to get the algorithm juices flowing. So thank you. Trade time. I hope you like white guys. What are you talking about, bro? The people that come onto these lives are just crazy, bro. Just cray, man. Rasho said hi. What's up, man? What's up? How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good setup, good trade. I think if we get back up there, I'll consider taking this one. 15K and 3K up front. 15K and 3K up front. Trade time. I don't know what you're talking about, bruh. What is you talking about, bruh? Let's take a look at the poll here. Happy Monday. Do the markets recover and pump today? Bro, 44% of you say, bro, of course. Bears are scared. 22% of you say, bulls are just dumb, bro. And 33% of you say, I am a newbie. Well, welcome to the newbies. Welcome if you're new to trading. Welcome if you're new to the markets. It's never too late to learn and invest in the markets. Never too late. All right, so let's hop on over to our good friend Gold. Trade time, please. Trade time. I need you to explain yourself, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, so gold broke 5,000 overnight. Insane move. Gold is just parabolic. Look at this. It's insane. Honestly, if you've been investing in gold, GG's to you, man. All those old timers, they're the ones that love them some gold. So they're invested in gold and it's just ripping. Hold on, let me just put my alerts here. Boom. All right, so now let's obviously we want to be careful shorting gold. So any shorts that we do take, we just want to get in and out. But let's take a look at what we have now. We've got a 1 hour supply. We just want to mark off our 1 hour supply and 1 hour demand zones. We've got that supply, and then we have this demand, which it looks like we just kind of tapped in there. Then we have a gap from the market open. Bada bing, bada boom. Maybe a nice trade long with the trend line break. But as of right now, don't see anything too interesting on gold. Biology is screaming at me to make a baby with you. Give you my seed, 15K, 3K up front. Bro, trade time, you have too much time in your hands, apparently. Your name is Trade Time, and you have too much time in your hands to be typing stuff like this, bro. You're crazy. That's cool. Said hi. What's up, Shaq? What's up, Eric? Good morning, man. Can you explain the concept of trading? Whoa, that's a big question. Sorry. Fred said gold or NQ coming. Thank you, Fred. I appreciate that. I'm not going to trade it on the Express account, but we'll consider taking this on the Express account. It's too early for me to want to jump into Express accounts. Concept of trading. It's a very good question. Concept of trading equals gambling, even with a nice setup. 100%. Yeah, thank you. Lance said shorts on NQ. Yeah, we're looking at shorts. Manny, you basically like summed it up for me. The concept of trading is just buying and selling. Okay, it's supply and demand. It's a market. It's people buying and selling an asset, and hoping for price to go in different directions. I'm here at a car dealership. This is just like trading. She's the owner. She takes a risk whenever she buys a car to sell. She needs to buy it at a deep discount so that she can sell it for more and make a profit, right? It's the same thing here. You know, we want to buy into this price at 2,697 because we think that it's too expensive, and we want to sell when it gets cheaper, right? That's going to be down here and for a profit. So concept of markets and trading is just supply and demand. It's just like any other market. It doesn't have to be financial markets. It could be buying and selling fish, buying and selling groceries. You know what I mean? That's trading in a nutshell. Trade time. Is that a no? Yeah, I'm not talking to you, bro. You're being super immature. Dylan, what's up, bro? Good morning. All right, so we're taking this short on NQ. Only on the eval. I don't feel like I want to trade the Express right now. I don't want to rush into it. I feel a little rushed on the Express account, so I'm just going to take it slow. But we're in, and yes, Will. I'm answering your question so I don't leave over yes. But he's on the horizontal stream, just so you know. Dylan said trade time go away. Am I profitable as of this month, my friend? Yes, based on how much I've spent on evals and how much I have taken out of the prop firm, I am technically profitable. But that could all change, you know what I mean? I can go on tilt and, you know, never come back to being profitable. So I sent you a DM. Yes, sir. I replied back to you here. What are your top 3 strategies, favorite strategies? Well, really, I just focus on supply and demand and market structure. That's really much it. Trend lines play a good part. I think they're not. They used to be a very strong, like, foundational strategy, but no longer do I like focus on them. They're just an added confluence. So supply and demand and market structure. Oh, looks like we're gonna get cooked here. Looks like the demand held down here on the 5 minute, and we might get cooked. We had a trade where it went right above this. That's why I put my SL a little bit higher, where it pops up a little bit and can reject. So let's see what happens. If not, then we sit back and wait for the next opportunity. This bad boy rejects. I'm gonna add in because this is the eval. I got lucky and caught the long. Had to make up for that moolah. I got to spend the engine today, 800s in part alone. Dang, Dylan, $800 on parts on that thing? That's crazy. I wonder if you can get it cheaper from my guys over here. If you want to text me what the parts are, I mean, I can see if I can get them for cheaper for you. But that's the beauty of trading. If you made the money that you're gonna spend on the car, bro, that's awesome. Let's see if it holds, everybody. Let's see if it holds. And that's the hard part about trading is like we can wait. You know, luckily there's a setup that occurred here within the 20 minutes of the stream. But as we all know, the guys that are here all the time, there are streams where it's like hours. We wait 2 hours for setup and then it occurs and then it loses. You know what I mean? That's the frustrating part about streaming or about streaming, about trading. It's like you could wait all day long for some setup and this thing that you look for, and then it could be a losing trade, and you waited all day to lose money. That's the frustrating part. Lower the music a little, almost overpowers your voice. Oh, thanks for letting me know, man. Appreciate that. Hold on. Scene. Vertical scene. Oh, my bad. I was doing this yesterday, guys, and check. Okay, I was doing this yesterday, setting up my vertical stream, and I had to add the music. So there you go. Thanks for the heads up, man. Means a lot. Appreciate it. Lower the music a little. Power's over. Boom. What's up with the likes, guys? What's up with the likes? It's because I can't get an OEM oil cooler because the plastic housing is known for warping. I had to buy the upgraded. Oh, I see. That bites, dude. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, we're going to get stopped out on this trade. All right, we got stopped out on this one. Nice. GG's. I mean, you can't be mad at that setup. I'm about to full port FOMC Wednesday. There you go. Hey, man. Sometimes you just got a full port. You know what I mean? Some days you just have to do it. It has SMT with ES. Might be bullish. My point of view. Nice, man. Appreciate you just kind of like saying it's your point of view. Too many times have people come in here, or just in general that I've seen in the trading community. It's like, bro, you're stupid. This is definitely a buy. What are you looking at? You don't even know what you're doing. Like, this is a buy. Those guys I know are not profitable because why do you even like? You can't. Sorry, I'm going on a rant. I just gotta get this off my chest. No one knows for sure what's gonna happen. You can have all the stars align for you, and you have all your confluences, and you could be wrong. That's the truth. So whenever someone comes in and they say, oh, you're stupid, or this is definitely not a short, this is a long, or like, no one knows. But if it's your opinion, hey man, I appreciate you sharing your opinion. If you have the self-awareness to say it's just my opinion. So I'm just saying that because I respect when people come in here, might be bullish, Dinesh said might be bullish, and it's point of view. That's real mature community conversation with traders. But these guys that are ICT, no, I'm just kidding. These guys who trade, whatever they trade, they want to be right so bad about their setup, about their trading. And I don't get it. I don't understand why. Who cares about being right about your trading style and your setup. You know what I mean? I think external liquidity needs to get taken. Dang it, Dylan. I don't know what that means, bro. You gotta teach me your ways about what you look for. But I still like the setup. On the 1 hour, it's not like extremely bearish. I'd want to see a strong 5-minute candle rejection for me to re-enter in short. If not, we might be looking at longs. We did break. Hold on. We did break this structure. So, you know what I forgot to do is draw out my demand zones. Well, there you go. We drew it out. Now, since we broke this high, potentially going long here seems to make sense. But for right now, we're just going to let price do its thing. I've full ported CPI, made 20K. Got to do it again. Okay, Espresso. I like it. They're just reflecting their internal thoughts. Most people insult because they aren't profitable. 100%. Yeah, exactly. Like, you gotta. There's no self-awareness enough to understand. Like, nobody knows exactly what's gonna happen in this market. You know what I mean? I know what's going to happen. The market's going to move either up or down. Will, you are a fortune teller. Will, you know what you're talking about. He is not wrong. It might move up and it might move down. Sideways rarely ever happens. So today, it might move up and it might move down. There's a lot of negative news out there, right? And I think that people, there might be fear in the markets. Obviously, right now we're going higher, but overall, there might be fear in the markets, and we've been kind of trading sideways since January 21 here. So we kind of are waiting for breakout. If we break above 25,827, then we might test all-time highs again. But as of right now, markets, there's just a lot going on in the markets right now. A lot of news. Ooh. Okay, gold. I kind of like longs on gold. But it's not clear. Just chilling. You're just chilling. I know exactly what will happen. I get into a position and the market goes the complete opposite way I want it to, especially as soon as I get in. Manny, the ones where you just get stopped out right away just are better than the ones where you're like in it for days, it feels like, and then you get stopped out. So I feel your pain, but I like when you get the Band-Aid, ripped. You get in and then you get stopped out, Do you ever trade your own capital? Actually, I have opened up a Tradeovate account with 3,000 in there. So it is my own account, and I took that from the profits that I made from TopStep. I haven't traded it yet. I am just kind of there's too much in my mind to trade that right now. And I was feeling rushed too, so I decided to just let that sit. And maybe this next payout that I'm going to request, I put a little bit more in there, make it a 10K account, and trade that, But to answer your question, no, I am not trading my own funds currently. Da-dum, da-dum, dum, da-da-da-da-dum, dum. Get like 5K plus buying power. I like 5K. You know, the reality is that I've been trading with 4K. 2K and each 5K. 2K buffer and each 50K combine express. Gosh, so many names. So I've been trading with 4K, and with that 4K, we have managed to extract money from the markets. Bro, my brain is not functioning fully yet. So a 5K account could be pretty good. I know that some people trade it with larger accounts. Maybe I'll start with 5K and then I just build it up slowly, and not take any money out of it, you know, and get it up to 30K to where I can risk more. But yeah, 5K sounds like a good number. Most futures you trade require high buying power. Yeah, and I just realized like the commissions on Tradeovate were pretty expensive, are pretty expensive. So, you know, the round trip, you know, buying the share or buying the contracts and then selling the contracts or taking commission from each one. So you really have to think about it. You know what I mean? But hey, let's get a giveaway. I haven't done one in a while. So let's do a giveaway. 50K TX3 market, 50K TX3 account. 50K TX3 funded eval giveaway equals 50. We can do this. I know we can. 50 likes. We just got to get to it. You know, we got to get the pump. You know what I mean? So we get 50K, 50 likes. I'll do a 50K. Actually, I'll do both at 50, so I can make it a deal. TX3 funded and 25K funded hero. So at 50 likes, I will be giving a 50K TX3 funded and a 25K funded hero eval. But we gotta get 50 likes. 50 likes. Deal? I don't think that's too bad. You know what I mean? I know we haven't had a vertical stream in a while. I haven't been here in a while, but I think we can hit 50 likes. What you think? What you guys think? They want me to give away accounts. Yesterday, they messaged me, TX3 Funded messaged me on Friday. They're like, hey, Shaq, you need something? I was like, I'm good. I'm just out of town right now. So they want me to give away accounts. They want me to, keep taking care of the community. TX3 is great. Funded hero. We did a BOGO deal in the Discord. So make sure you join the Discord. It's in the description below. They gave me a BOGO opportunity, buy one, get one, max 50K size. For anybody in the Discord community, and I only posted it in there. So if you want like special deals, you got to join the Discord. Enough selling. So let's just keep that there. I'm gonna be honest, guys. Nothing is too clear for me right now. I don't see anything that makes me want to get into anything. So just gonna chill. That setup earlier, just a second ago, totally fine with that. Totally good with that. I actually liked the setup. Let's pump up the likes like gold. Yeah, right. Yeah, let's pump it up like gold, man. Gold is flying. All right, so we have this 1 hour demand on gold. Okay. It hasn't tapped it, actually. It tapped it once already. But we had this break of structure right here. So I don't know. You know, part of me wants to take it long. I'm not too sure. Is there? All right, Arthas. What? Why do people? It's either a bot or people just don't have too much time in their hands to be saying stupid stuff, man. Crazy. The internet's wild. I'm going long on oh gosh. Gold has way more expensive than I thought, or the candles are way bigger than I thought. Okay, I'll talk this through here in a second, but this is just on the eval. We are in a 1 hour demand. We tapped that, and then we had a break of structure on the 5 minute right here. 5 minute made a new high. So this is the 5 minute demand. And I just wanted to give it a shot. So it's just the eval. It's just the eval. I'm not taking this on funded or express accounts. King, what's up, man? Good morning. Good morning. Dylan and the guys were in Discord a few days ago, sometime last week, and they were just talking about how, like, what correlates with business and trading. And they asked me the question, and it just came off the top of my head, and I kind of want to talk about it. It's managing risk. I said you got to manage your risk, and you gotta have balls and take the risk. And it's like, that's exactly what I just was thinking to myself. Like, I just had a loss on the eval. I kind of like don't want to lose anymore, but you know, there is a potential setup here that just formed, and you just have to take the risk. And that's like business, just like business. You gotta manage a risk. If you think you're going to start losing in this venture or whatever you're doing, manage that risk, stop the losses, and then do something new and hope to make more money. So, sorry, I just had that thought. They were talking about it, and 100%, you know, business and trading goes hand in hand. You got to take risk, and you got to manage it also. NASA's making beautiful demand right now. Hopefully I get a pullback. Yeah, it made new highs, which is nice. So at market open, I would potentially be looking at long in this 5 minute demand on MNQ. Sorry, you guys, on the short side. On the shorts reel. Can't see what I'm doing. But here I would be looking to go long on gold. Sorry, NQ. If we get there. Price is wild today. Yeah, I could see that. It's moving, which is cool. I'm glad to see the markets moving. Had some great setups already. Still considering if I should stop or not. You know, that's the magic question. There's different beliefs in people, you know, whenever they make money in the markets. It's like one and done, win or loss, get out, get out. And then there are people who say, you know, stop trading when you have like two winning trades or whatever the case is. And there are guys that I know that are real. I've been following for years where they hit it hard. They're in front of the charts all day long. They scalp the 1 minute and 5 minute, and they just sit there all day long, losing, winning, and at the end of the day, they're profitable. So it really is up to you. And you know, if you take another setup, you are green for the day. I think it's just as simple as accepting that, hey, I'm going to take this next setup. I've made, you know, let's call it $500 for the day. I'm going to take this next setup and I could lose half of it, give it back, but I got to accept that. Like deep down inside, I need to accept that I'm going to lose that money, right? So it really is up to you. But it could be a winning trade, right? So it comes down to accepting those things. I have to send you a video of a cop calling dispatch about me street racing. Oh, 100%, bro. Post that in the Discord, bro. I got to watch that. Top Trader Luke, what's up, man? Good morning. No risk, no Rari. Yeah, exactly. No risk, no Rari, man. That is the truth. Good advice. Yeah, man. I've heard so many things that I realize, like, who's right? Nobody actually is right unless you're profitable. That's all that matters. So take that with a grain of salt. Not financial advice. And now we're just chilling, and it's a little cold in my office. I'm considering turning on the heat, but I'm trying not to crank that electric bill for my client. Lano, good morning. New, what are you trading? I am trading gold currently. We watch gold and NQ. Those are the two that we watch. That's the only two that I focus on. I risked Irari. Yeah, Espresso has a Rari. So he posted that in the Discord, and I was like, what the heck? Got yourself a Rari? This morning I saw a my gosh, what Ferrari is that? It's a newer one. I live in Scottsdale, so there's very wealthy people around me, and there's Ferraris. Like just this morning, driving here. The freak! What the I forgot the name of it, but I saw a Ferrari. Thoughts on Lucid's trading 50K flex account? Lucid is a good prop firm. I need to look up the rules. Hold on, guys. I'm stuck in a trade. I might get stopped out here. Don't know what's going on, but that was crazy. Okay, we got stopped out. It just flipped on us. Gonna hold tight here. Wait. Trade with 4 Express accounts sometimes puts some pressure. 100%. That's why I don't trade all 4 Express accounts at once. I separate them right now because it makes sense. All right, I'm gonna have to enter back in. Just an eval, guys. Just an eval, okay? I always have to make that known because I don't want people to get the wrong impression. I'm going back in on just evals. I want an SVJ and sell the Rari. To be honest, I can't decide yet. First world problems, brother. First world problems. I don't know. Should I sell the Rari to buy an SVJ? Bro, I want that problem. Okay, just getting into training, trying to learn. 100%. Yeah, of course. That's what we're here for. Join the Discord too. It's completely free. I can answer more questions there. But yeah, Lucid. I've heard good things about Lucid. Let me take a look at them. Hold on. What do you 50K flex account? 50K flex. Reset fee $85. Profit target 3 grand. Max loss limit 2,000. Drawdown type end of day. Great consistency 50%. Funded rules 2,000. Oh, bro. Yeah, Lucid. This is great. Funded flex is what I would do if I was trading Lucid. It's the same thing as TopStep. Same exact rules, same exact everything. That flip was nasty. Yeah, dude, it was. Stop me out. Stop me out. I'm waiting for the trend to break out. Yeah, it looks like it might. That 5-minute candle wick is pretty nasty. So, depending on how gold closes here on the next 5-minute, if it grabs the 13 EMA, could be a good strong bullish confluence. But we got stopped out on that first attempt. It doesn't look like Lucid costs more. Lucid Flex is $91. It's the same price, actually. Well, with tax, it might be a little bit more, depending. One-time payment, no monthly sub. Yeah, Lucid is great. Not gonna lie, Lucid is great. I just don't know. I mean, I'm sure they pay out. I don't know how old they are, but you know, if they're a more reputable company, then why not? I heard TopStep 100% pays out though. Yes, they do. I mean, they've paid out everything I've had with no issues. They've never emailed me. Well, I'm not breaking any rules essentially, but you know, I haven't had any issues getting paid out by them. Does it? Isn't it 50 plus 180 an account with Top? That's the older way with TopStep. They have the new subscription, or the new path is what they call it, where it's $97, no activation fee. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Nice. Well, I might have to give Lucid a shot, because it's the same rules with TopStep, and I like TopStep's rules. I'm okay with the 50% consistency rule to pass. I care about the funded not having any consistency rules, which I think. Yeah, there you go. There's no consistency rule on funded, on Lucid funded. So. Okay, guys, we're breaking out, which is nice, but we're not. What's it called? We are not in the clear yet. We're not out of danger. God, my brain is just working slow this morning. We are not out of danger. We need to see this 5-minute candle close on top of this 13 EMA, which would give me a little bit more confluence, or more confidence. I set this profit target just because this is passing, I think. I need to. My math is bad. I'm Asian and I can't do math. Nope. I have to go to minus 681. Nope. Got to go to 2100. Or 20. Let's go to 2300 to be sure. 2300, 680. Oh, it's too much. It's 2200. There you go. I have to, because I made a little bit more on Friday. I made like $1,540. So with the 50% consistency rule, you have to make an additional $40. So I'm just doing the math to see where that's at. So here you go. What rules do they have if you break it? If you won't get a payout? That's a good question. I don't know if you break a rule with them, do you not just get a payout, but you get to keep your accounts? You know, they take away the profit or whatever. I don't know. I have to look that up. Kathy said, hi, what's up? Good morning. Welcome. Eric, gotcha. Thank you. Yep. What symbol this is? MGC gold. Lucid just has Trade-Evade. That's why I'm friends. My friend switched to Lucid because TopStep X kept crashing. Yes, TopStep X had its bugs and it was really frustrating. But per the last 30 days for me, thank goodness that I'm not having those issues. But yeah, when I was, it was really frustrating. Market open in 6 minutes. Thanks for the heads up, Will. Thanks for the heads up. I'm going to take a look at NQ on the other screen. All right, so I like NQ longs. NQ longs I'll be looking at the 25,676 level. I have my alert set up there. So I will look for longs there. On gold, potentially, if this 5-minute candle closes above here, you could potentially enter in long here. So I'll be looking to possibly take it long. But market's about to open to Will's point in 6 minutes. All right, new 5-minute candle has opened, everybody. New 5-minute candle has opened. So stay tight. Manage risk. Dylan. Dylan said GLP. That's right. Grow, learn, profit. LPP. Learn, plan, profit. That's not our saying. That's someone else's. Dylan's coined GLP. Grow, learn, profit. Same but different. Legally, it's different. I have a reminder to make a shirt. I have a friend, Jason, shout out to you if you watch this. He owns a marketing printing business, and I have an idea for a shirt that I want to wear, and it's going to say shoulda, coulda, woulda on the shirt, shoulda, coulda, woulda, and I have a reminder to talk to him because he's coming in here this morning. I'm going to buy some sweaters from Target or whatever and some shirts and have them printed out and says shoulda, coulda, woulda. Because that was my biggest downfall in trading was, oh, I could have made money, or, oh, I could have done this, and, oh, I should have done that. And I want to wear a shirt that says shoulda, coulda, woulda so that I can, like, remind myself, like, bro, should have, could have, and you would have. Just got to move on. Because that is my biggest downfall. Whenever I saw profits and then I go to break even or even at a loss, like right now we're up $800 and then it comes down and stops me out. Shoulda, coulda, and woulda. You know what I mean? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm debating whether if we get the pullback on the 5-minute down into this demand zone to add in at market open. But I do not know. I should have held longer. Exactly, bro. Exactly. I should have, could have, and I would have. Should have held longer. All right, I'm going to move myself to break even. Market opens about to be here. It's about to say hello to us. So I'm just going to manage my risk. I shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I joined someone else's live stream. It was a trader, and he had AI, or maybe it's not AI, but there was like a rap song in the beginning, and it was about trading. I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. Like, they were talking about stop losses and take profit, but it was a rap song. So I was like, oh, that's actually a good idea. Maybe we have our own like actual anthem song. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Take that out of the way. Same but different. Same but different. GLPPLPP. That's what we should call it, Dylan. Grow, learn, profit, learn, plan, profit. Or grow, learn, plan, profit. That might be even better. Okay, guys, market's about to open. NQ is rallying. Very nice. NQ, very nice buy and a 5-minute demand, guys. 5-minute demand just cooked beautifully. But I was looking at shorts, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I was looking at shorts here. My wife does a very good, like, British accent. And jealous. She always makes me laugh when she does it. Because she watches she still watches Harry Potter all the time. Harry Potter. She always watches Harry Potter. Potter. Wingardium Leviosa. Don't make fun of me. Will, don't clip it. Wingardium Leviosa. $10 seconds till market open, everybody. 10 seconds. Hold tight. Everybody watch NQ. I know someone else is probably watching it, but I got NQ on watch there. Dang, NQ made a demand above another demand. This is going to be tricky. True. Wingardium Leviosa. I always forget to drink my coffee, and then when I remember, it's already cold, bro. Cold. Epidemic Sounds, bro. Epidemic Sounds is crushing it with this music. Yeah. Yeah. I went shopping at Target and I bought myself the best shirt in the world. My man Mickey Mouse, bruh. My man Mickey Mouse. I love me some Mickey Mouse, bruh. Saw it at Target. I was like, $14 for this legit Mickey Mouse shirt? Say less. Swipe the card, even though I Apple paid it. Swipe the card. Mickey Mouse. MICKEYMOUSE. I'm just anxious. I don't know what to do right now. I have no clue what to do. So sorry for the outbursts of loud energy. I just waiting. I do the same thing. I hate drinking coffee, cold black coffee. 100%, man. There's a microwave over there, but I don't want to leave the stream right now. Everyone like the stream. That's right. Like the stream. Get 50 likes, and I got 75K in account giveaways. 50 likes. That's it. 50, and I got account giveaways for you guys. This man stays helping the community. Hey, bro. Can't do it without my partners. TX3 funded. Wait, yeah, TX3 funding and Funded Heroes. Links in the description if you guys want to buy accounts. My code ShackMT gets you the best discounts. The more codes you guys buy, or the more accounts you guys buy using my code, the more accounts that I get to give away. So, my little plug there. I'm patiently waiting. I could have a losing trade here and be negative for today on the eval. Excuse me. And Q just kind of chopping right now. Nice entry. Thank you so much. So far, so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to use the bathroom, but I can't leave you guys. Or I can't leave you guys, and I can't leave the trade. If I had taken the NQ long, it would have been amazing. Missed it. Dinesh, I was just talking about my shirt. It says shoulda, coulda, woulda. We can't look at it that way, guys. That'll have us go on tilt. Top trader Luke caught NQ longs at 75,709. Bro, nice move, trader Luke. Top trader Luke. Add in another position when it breaks that high. Breaks the high. This one? I mean, at this point, I'm just going to see if we get to TP. This is me passing this eval. So what I'll do is I'll stop at 681. So I'm at break even for the day here. So this is break even for the day. Basically, don't lose anything. No, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm going back here. I'm just going to let this sit. We're breaking out on the 5-minute. We have to break this line here to be pretty strong bullish move higher. If not, if it comes down here, I might add a position and go long on the express accounts. Yeah, NQ is gone, bro. M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-E M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-E. Oh. 50K TX3 funded. 25K funded. We just need to hit 50 likes. There's only 30 likes that you guys need left. Alright? 30. Wow, NQ's just ripping. Very, very nice, NQ. Very, very nice. M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-E. Let me hear that. M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-E. Gold just making a bearish candle to make a new demand. You chilling? I hope so, brother. I hope so. Let's see if we get there. What firm are you trading, bro? Mr. Dinesh, I am trading TopStep currently. Fred is out of the trade. Nice trade, brother. Nice trade. I'm holding. Did we get to pass this account today or not? Oh my gosh, did we pass today? Everybody, do we pass today or not? You're not my dad. You're not my dad. Oh my gosh, we are so close. With TopStep, you have to do 1,500, 50%. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. No. We're so close to passing this account. Please. Please. Please don't do me dirty, bro. Don't. No. Gold. Is that not a zero activation fee account that comes with the 50% consistency rule? Yes. TopStep has the 50% consistency rule, and so you can only make 1,500 in a day on the 50K accounts. So this is passing for me right now. Come on, bro. No. No, please. Please. I want to pass this account right now. Just push. Come on, guys. Everybody blow your screens. Blow on your screens. Come on, bro. No. Dude, are you really not going to push right now? What did you say, trade time? You're making me mad. Don't make me do this. What are you talking about? This is thorny. This is not greed. This is just passing a prop firm account. Come on, bro. Push. Oh my gosh. Don't ignore me, Boy Scout. What is... Who are you? You know that kid in that old meme, that old video? He goes, who are you? That's how I feel right now. Yes, exactly. Yeah, I'd have to make 2,200 because I was down 600. Because I just made 1,500 and I was confused because we were trading the same accounts. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. I have to make up for the negative. Sometimes I like enjoying the haters, bro. Sometimes I just let them run in here rampant. Well, what happened to NQ, Trader Luke? What happened to NQ? Oh my, NQ. Yo, NQ's gone, guys. NQ is ripping. OMG, bro. OMG. You guys saw this. You guys saw this perfectly. We were so close to passing this account. Literally so close. Can you send me the banner for my YouTube? Why? Why, Will? What are you up to, Will? Dude, we were so close. We were so close to passing that challenge there. Unfortunately, it is not. It is now going lower. Dang, bruh. That's dirty right there. That was... Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Did you see how close we got? Bruh. Did me dirty, bro. Freaking gold did me dirty like that. freaking trade time. Trade time, you're just funny now, bro. Oh, man. Still a W. You're right. That's right. Yep. Still a W. Anyone with a cent account, I need to live test an EA that ratio of 10K to 600 in demo. EA Sports. It's in the game. Dirty, bro. It just did me so dirty. So dirty. Well, I'm going to set my alerts here for some longs on gold. NQ is ripping higher. Nothing that I want to get involved with as of yet. Not taking profit with a tick difference doesn't make you a noob, bro. I'm just trying to pass a funded account. So this is completely different. If I was trading the Express account, I would have taken profits already, guys. You will accept my seed, and it will grow into a blossoming beauty of growth and save our kind of ignorance and hatred. Do I know you, Trade? Are you a troll from... Do I know you? Oh, man. It blows my mind, like, that person's here doing this. Just take his seed, Shaq, Nanny. Okay, I will. If it's sunflower seeds, I'll take it. I like sunflower seeds. I'm good with that. Any other type of seed, I ain't for it, bro. No, yeah. Now you'll have to make 1K more. Yes, 100%. So I just need to make $1,000 more to pass this account, but I'm not gonna push it. We tapped into this 5 minutes supply, and it's pushing, and it rejected. So, and now it's pushing back up. That's gonna make me cry. I haven't traded the Express accounts still. We already took profits from them on these two accounts, so we're just waiting. Then just update everybody else. These two Express accounts are already in profit and have 5 days of profitability. So I requested payout, or I'm going to request payout later today. Dang it, bro. It's coming back up. Breaks my heart. Can you explain why you add into the trade and where you usually do? Yes, on the Express accounts, if we entered down here, I would have added in on these like swing highs. So like this swing high, added in. But the risk is that you can get stopped out with something like this. So actually, if we take a trade on the Express account today, I'm gonna add in on the 5 minute candle breaks. That's what I'm planning on doing. I don't know about you, but NQ is showing a little bit of weakness. A little bit. But no break of structure. Are you kidding me? You saying that if I would have just left it at break even, we could have passed this account? Would it be safer just to go full size from the start instead of adding in, keeping SL a safe spot? The short answer is yes. The short answer is yes. But adding into a winner just creates the habits that I'm trying to build for myself that take me away from taking profits right away. And from what I've learned, the big guys, the guys that trade large size, they add into winners. You know, they curb that emotion of taking profit by adding into a winner. So the short answer is yes, but also at the same time, I want to build a habit of like adding into a winning trade, which you could grow your profitability in that one trade because you're adding into it, right? But then you always have a higher risk because you're trailing your stops, or you can leave your stops where they're at, but your amount that you're risking is much higher. So I'm still kind of learning that as we go. Would it be safer to go full size and the shower curtain clean? Oh my gosh, bro. What is... If I were you, keep your bathroom door locked for a while. It's crazy. Trade time is your wife. Yeah, right. She's trolling me. Oh, that would be too funny. That would be too funny. Ay caramba. Ay caramba. Do you perform better if you trade while not live streaming? Actually, no. I actually trade better live streaming now because I'm live and you guys are all watching me. You know what I mean? Right now there's 24 people watching me trade, and if I just go on tilt, someone's going to call me out. You know what I mean? Jameson. What up, brother? Jameson is back. Yes, love Jamie. Trade time is... Let trade time keep commenting because he's pushing the algorithm to talk more. Like to have everybody talk more. Shaq love. Ay caramba. Wolf, hop on the Discord. Oh, Dylan, I don't know if Wolf is on the horizontal stream. NQ shorts look pretty interesting to me, but it's a hunch trade. All right, I'm going to try shorting this. Risky trade, everybody. Risky trade. He's Wolf is on the shorts live, I believe. Diamond Shack, I love your stream, bro. So chill. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Sometimes I'm not chilled, to be honest. Sometimes I'm like going crazy. You know what I mean? Sometimes I'm like drifting in my office chair. You already made the money. I'm always late to the party. Sometimes you're late and I lost money. You know what I mean? But this is just the combine that I'm looking at right now. I never forgotten you, and I will never want to do things I don't want to do and regret, but giving me no choice. I'm scared. Okay, bro. Yeah, I like the NQ shorts, to be honest. Looks pretty interesting to me. But it's just a hunch. Just a hunch. It's just a hunch. I don't know what's gonna happen here. That's my best Donald Trump expression. All right, well, we would have passed the account if I just would have held it through. But I did not. I did not hold it through. It got stopped out. So you can send me the banner for your YouTube. It's for no reason, like I said. No, Will. Because you're being sus, you're gonna have to tell me why. I'm in drawdown, so I should try steaming to perform better. Hey, yeah, maybe, bro. Live streaming really helped me stick to what I said I'm gonna do. because people watching. You know what I mean? All right, well, gold's going to break out here. I was going to take a long down here, but I don't know if it's going to come back down. So what I'm going to do is set an alert down here on gold. And now we're just waiting for something to happen. MNQ. All right, so on the 1 minute, there's a little bit of weakness forming on NQ, but it's nothing crazy. So I'm just chilling. I don't really see anything in particular to go short, but I like shorting the move. I want to try fading this move, and we shall see. Cheers, Jameson. Cheers. We will do together with love, Shaq love. Oh my gosh, you are a troll, and if I know you, I will find out who you are. I have my ways. Will, sounds good. Yes, sir. I will check that out. Okay, I'm ignoring you now. Just because you said don't ignore you, I'm going to ignore you. I'm going to do the opposite of what you say. All right, super high risk trade here. I'm going to try shorting NQ if this 1 minute candle flips. I'm going to fade the move. I'm going to see if I can fade the move. I like this short. Same here. Jameson, same here. By the way, this is my first time interacting on the live stream, and it's so cool. Cool, man. Well, welcome. Welcome, welcome. My stop's going to go above the 1 minute. Just going to try scalping it. Ah, it tapped me in. Oh my, 15 cons is pretty rich. It's pretty rich. We might get stopped out here pretty quick. And we are. 15 contract was a little bit rich. A little bit rich. Should have went down in size. A lot of momentum. I'll try to scalp it one last time. If it fails. This is just the combine. This is just the combine. What's up, Gilbert? What's up? What's up? Not going to wait. Not going to wait for a 15-minute break. 15-minute break. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Very, very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Might break these highs and reject. That'd be nice. Gold is just pushing higher. Guys, I don't want to take any trades on the express accounts right now. That one trade with gold earlier was a very good setup. So as of right now, I'm not trading the express accounts, just trading the evals. Everyone go ahead and like the stream. That's right. Yes, that's right. 25 more likes, and I got 2 account giveaways. A 25K funded hero eval, and then a 50K TX3 funded account. I have those 2 giveaways for you guys. All right, top of the hour is about to hit. Hey, I want to invest in silver. Should I or nah? Not financial advice, whatever I'm about to say, but you know, with the parabolic move in silver, if you're going to invest, it could be out of FOMO, and a lot of the times that doesn't end out well or end well. So, in my opinion, if I were going to start investing, I'd wait for some sort of retracement. But the risk is that it might not come back. So, my real answer to you is if you are in for long term, meaning like you're trying to make money for the next 20 years on silver, then sure, there's never really a wrong time to buy right now in the next 90, 180 days. But if you're looking to make profits this year, then it could be a higher risk to you to enter in now. How do we enter a giveaway? Sorry, just got here. Yeah, you're good. We need to get to 50 likes, and then I'll tell you guys what to comment on the stream. And it won't be hashtag God Candle this time. Okay, it'll be something new, so that no one can just put it in there and go dip for the day. You know what I mean? All right, so we swept the highs on NQ. This is not a plus setup. This is not something I take on the Express accounts. I am purely doing this out of speculation and a hunch. I'm going to enter in early if it breaks here and give this a shot. Strong bullish 1 hour close. What's the regular stream schedule? I try to stream every single day. So Monday through Friday, 6:30 MST. Jameson. Shack Seed Baby Live. Oh my gosh, bro. What is your biggest RR on gold in a day? I don't know. I don't know that answer, actually. I don't look at RR anymore. I used to. So I don't have that answer anymore. If you haven't done so, just to test it out, if you haven't done so, would love to earn a subscription. If you haven't subscribed, join the family. Technically speaking, if someone subscribes, it's supposed to send an alert. So I'm wondering if that's working. So it'd mean a lot to me if you haven't subscribed to actually just hit the subscribe button to see if it works. That would be really cool. Really, really cool. See if the notification works. Dangerous short here, guys. Dangerous short. Will not yet. I haven't looked at the Discord yet. I'm trying to make sure I get something locked in here. Is this your main stream of income? No, it's not. I have an agency business or social media management. I don't know what the official name is, but of that type of business. But I manage social media accounts and I build call centers and I consult businesses. So I do stuff outside of trading. It works there. There was one popping up. How come I don't see it? I don't see the sub. Can someone just unsub and then sub again for me, please? I just want to see if this works. If it works, that'd be great. All right, Trader Time. You're going in timeout, bro. You're being annoying, man. There's always that one guy. In school. You know what I mean? Who just takes it too far. You know, it's funny for a little bit, and then he keeps going, and then you're just like, bro, like, come on, bro. Which website you use to trade? Nepal. I'm using TopStep X, which is their own platform. Eric Ayo. What up? Gold longs in this 5-minute demand seems somewhat interesting, but it's high risk. I want to take it long down here. I don't know if we're going to get down there. What website do you use to invest or trade? Depending on what you're looking to do long term. If you're looking for long term trading, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, those are good, reputable brokers. Tradeovate's good too, but it's more made for like scalpers and actual day traders. But I would look into Charles Schwab. They're pretty big. They don't normally pop up for people that resub. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, if you guys actually see someone sub and it pops up an alert on top of my head, it should be popping up here. Let me know. So I want to make sure it works. Reminding the people to leave a like for the giveaway. Yes, 100%. Yes, everybody. I have a giveaway. 150K account and 125K account, but we have to get to 50 likes. So we're at 30 now. You guys are doing great. You guys are doing great. Y'all are crushing it. Do you do any trading outside of this morning? Like after you're done streaming, do you trade Asia or something, or do you only trade on here? I do trade on my own at a discretion, very like selective when I trade outside of here, and it's never really set in stone. Sometimes I do trade Asia, sometimes I trade London, but nothing really is set in stone. Sorry, Shaq, I hope you lose this trade because I need it to go to the opposite way. Oh no, Manny and I are going at it. All right, Manny. All right, GG's. If it goes higher, I hope you win, man. Thanks for answering my question. Absolutely, that's what I'm here for. Would love to earn a sub if you haven't subbed already. How do you hide the chat? If you're on your phone, I don't know how, to be honest. I think you have to hit the full screen on like the little square that like takes over the whole screen. It looks like we're cooked. It looks like we are cooked here. Top 3 dots in the right corner. Copy. All right, we're at 30 likes, guys. Not bad. Oh, we're about to get cooked. We're about to get cooked on the shorts. I like the gold longs in that 5-minute demand. I just, I'm already in this thing. Very high risk trade on NQ, guys. Very, very high risk trade. So please take this with a grain of salt. May the best man win. 100%. Depending on where your stop loss is, you might still win. I might win and you might win. I've seen that happen before. You might be going long and I'm going short, and we both can win. So may us both win. May we both win. All right, I added in last time here, hoping to see this reject, which it doesn't look like it will. $25,700. Oh yeah, then you're good, bro. If it comes back, I might be able to take profit, and then you might still win. Nice, bro. Be a dear friend, NQ, and just come down and hang out with us down here in the 25783 area, huh? Be a good buddy. Be a good friend. Hang out down here. I've been watching you for a while, and I really for your content, your vibe, and your trading is super cool. Good, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Means a lot. Definitely not easy to stream every day and everything like that, but it really helps me, and I'm glad it's helping other people, and you guys enjoy it. Y'all in the Discord live. There you go. Do y'all's thing, man. Just so you guys know, you guys can join the Discord. Dylan's a verified trader. He's here in Arizona. He's part of the team. We basically trade somewhat of the same setup. So if you're looking for a community of people that trade with outside of the live, join the Discord. They're in there being crazy and having fun and hopefully making money. All right, got to lower my stops one more time. I'm just adding in so that my take profit is pretty much like the same, or my take profit gets closer. I just need to watch out where this 9 EMA is. 25794. $794 is where the EMA is, which is exactly where my take profit is. So I got to be very careful. All right, we're going to go to break even here and see if we pass this account. Technically, I can go to 1497. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to look. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Drop. Why do people say such stupid things? I used to be able to just read whatever I see on the chat, but then now I have to actually be careful what I read. Crazy. Well played. We're not out of the blue yet, or we're not out of danger yet. Oh man, I guess I need to risk it. I need to risk it for the biscuit and make sure that I don't get stopped out on this pullback. Come on, bro. Come on, NQ. Come on, be a good friend. Come on, be a good friend. I need to give it some room to breathe. You sub with another account and it didn't pop up. Okay, I'll have to, yeah, I need to check it out. How do you measure your trading performance? How do I measure? I just look at my days and then also whatever the performance indicators are. I'll show you after this trade. But I look at my win rate based on TopStep's accounts thing that they give you. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. Just remind me, Thorny, to look at it after this trade, whether it's a winner or a loser. Okay, that's scary. Yep, very scary. Trail that thing. It's the express account or the eval. So I'm trying to get the TP, bro. Trying to. Jesus loves you and I, and hope you realize that you're seconds away from dying, my friend. You know, that's the truth, Manny. That's the truth. We never know. We're never promised tomorrow. Oh my gosh, please pull back. Please don't come up here and stop me out. Because that's going to break my heart. Come on. Come on, give us the retracement. Come on, give us the retracement. I'm going to add in if it retraces. Oh, we're cooked, guys. We are cooked. I'm not giving away TopStep, unfortunately, guys. It's TX3 funded. TopStep doesn't... You got to be really cool to be giving away TopStep accounts. They're too cool for me. I'm not big enough for them. TX3 funded and funded hero are the accounts that I'll be giving away. We're at 30 likes so far, so only 20 more. And I'll be giving away 2 accounts. 2 accounts. Come on, bro. Looks like we're cooked. Oh, man. I'm just giving this a shot, guys. It's the same but different. Okay. All right. Well, it's going up. Man, so close to passing. This is the problem with evals. It's like you have to hit a certain profit to pass. So that's why. So I haven't traded my Express accounts. I'm still waiting on that. But so far, I'm not mad at it. If we break below, if we close below this low here on these 5-minute candles, then I would potentially look for shorts. But as of right now, I'm just gonna hold back and wait. I'm gonna take a peek at gold. Yeah, guys, the trading that you're looking at right now is not good trading. It's eval. This is just an eval. With the Express accounts, and just to answer his question earlier, what do I look at for, like, to look at my trading performance? This is what I look at to look at my trading performance. So this account is a total $7,915 since I got it. My win rate is 42%, so I only win 42% of the time. My average RR is 2.32, so my average win is $238. My average loss is 100. That's what I look at, and then I also look at what trades I actually win in. So my win rate is on trades that are above 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. And then I look at this. This is pretty much the way I look at my performance. Is, am I ending green? You know, am I over trading? You know, am I managing risk? So that's it. There you go. Hopefully that answers your question as far as how I manage my risk or manage my performance. Stop saying Jesus is racist. That's disrespectful. 100% agree with that, but people are crazy. Jameson. Yeah, I was up 800. Yep, 100%. I was up, but that's just the way it is if I'm trying to pass a eval. Check gold. I do. I just saw gold on the other side of my screen, Fred, and I agree with you. So on gold, we are in a 1 hour supply. Actually, no, we're not. We made a new high. So it's a very ugly kind of setup as of right now, but this is technically supply right here. And if and only if we break below here, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, and we break below, I would look to short in the supply, but I want to see a strong push lower. So I'm going to just set my stop loss or my alerts down here. Holy crap, it's 8:18 already. 30 people watching, 32 likes, guys. We're so close to 50. Got to get those likes up. I want to give these accounts away. Come on, man. Pump up the likes. Pump the likes. Pump it up. Pump it up. For this month on that account, you made 6,700. Yes, that's correct. 6,700 on 2 accounts. So close to 1,500 bucks. Because it's 2 50K accounts. Or close to 15,000, I should say. Which is just crazy to me, but super thankful. Like, I'm very, very thankful. Smash the like, everyone. Thank you, Eric. Smash it. Smash it with your forehead. See if you can do that. Push your phone to your forehead like this, and then try to hit the like button like that. I know somebody's doing it. Don't lie. I saw you, Jameson. I saw you. Jameson was like this. He was like, hit that like button. So with TopStep, you'd be able to take a 10K payout. Well, I already took out payouts here. These are officially paid. And then I'm about to request payout on the 2 accounts I just showed you. That's why I'm locked out for the day, because I have 5 green days. I made 15K this month. December 30th to December 30th to, oops, I'm getting confused. First payout was December 30th that I requested. So we're coming up on 30 days. All right, I'm in on the Express accounts actually. We broke, and then there was such a close 5-minute supply. Dang it, I didn't get to enter in. I didn't get to enter in on the eval, but we're in on the Express accounts, risking 250 bucks. I would like to take profit in this 5-minute demand. We shall see if we get there. NQ's just ripping higher, which is nice. Gold, it would be great if it grabs the 13 EMA. That's an added confluence. We would need to see it grab that 13 EMA to continue lower. Don't know if we're going to grab that, but we broke the low. Get that out of the way. We broke the swing low right here. We broke this swing low, so and triggered me to want to go short. And we're in a 1-hour supply. Not the cleanest 1-hour supply, but we're in there. And managing 250 bucks, or risking $250. If this 1-minute candle rejects and breaks this low, I'm going to add in 5 contracts, be my full size, and maybe add in 1 or 2 as we continue, if we continue. So yeah. So 15K between the 2 accounts would need to be 20K between the 2 to receive a 10K payout, right? That's correct, yes. Because you have to get 50%. You can only get 50%. How long have you been trading for? Since 2020, so around 6 years. All right, we had a losing trade on the Express accounts, which I'm totally good with. Setup of mine, fine with it. I'm gonna wait to see if we continue short. My entry might have been just a little too early. give it a shot again. If we break below here. $57 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Really want to see it flush. We don't want to see a close above. I'm just trading the same trade idea, guys. Shorting gold. Just giving it a second shot. $27 seconds left. I'm going to try entering a little bit more here. $10 seconds left. See if we close lower. If not, and Q's just saying goodbye. And Q's not playing games. This is the risk of adding in, man. You can get stopped out. It's tough. I added in maybe a little too soon here. Yep, I can get stopped out here. If I keep my risk up here, that's too much. Way too much. All right, it held. So little sketch. I probably added in too much too fast. So I'm going to just wait one last time. Trying to short gold in all-time highs is very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. But I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it. I just added way too fast there. So on the 5-minute, it still hasn't closed on the 13 EMA. That's the frustrating part. Oh, dang, you guys bumped up those likes. Okay. All right, last shot. Last shot here. Let's do it, huh? Let's do it. Given this idea, trade idea 3 tries. The second try, probably added in. See, I would have been fine if I left my... If I didn't add in so early. But unfortunately I did, so... ETs, what ETs? Dump it down. Thanks, guys. Thanks. We can get stopped out here. This 5-minute candle. If this 5-minute candle holds, not looking good for shorts. All right, so 5-minute candle closed above. Not looking good for us. Not looking good for us. Looks like it's going to make the continuation higher. Excuse me. And that's the name of the game. 5-minute candle closed above the 13 EMA. Just going to close it out. Okay, well, gave that trade idea three shots. And as we all know, I've been here before, so there isn't any stress about it. Just have to be wary. Accidentally entered 2 minis instead of micros and blew 2 combines that were almost funded. Ah, bro. I've been there, bro. I've been there. It's all good, man. It's all good. It happens. I'm going to switch over to my eval and focus on that. Sent happy poop for 10 joules. What in the world, bro? Bro, don't do this to me, bro. Don't do this to me. I had to give it another shot. I don't know what to do. I want to give this one more shot, risk, and it looks like it's getting weak. And like, I have to give it one more shot. I'm risking. Oh no, I'm in the. No! I entered on the combine and not the express account. Yeah. Bro, are you kidding me right now? I entered on the freaking combine and not the express account, where I wanted to enter in on the express account. Ugh! You've got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, Smalls. All right. We've thankfully made some room to enter in. Oh yeah, giveaway time. Watch this. It's only at 49. I don't know what happened. It's only at 49, guys. I'm sorry. It's not 50. Thank you for 2.5K. Ah, bro, good for you, bro. GG's. No, it's only at 48. I don't know what you're talking about. It's only at 48, guys. Hey, yo, scammer got scammed. It's okay. I saw 50, guys. I saw 50. I took away my like. I took away my like. That's why. Y'all are good, though. Y'all are good. Y'all are good. Oh my gosh. We're about to get stopped on here. Really, bruh? It's the 5-minute supply. You guys are good. We won. Y'all won. Just give me a second here. Just give me a second, all right? Y'all got it, okay? Y'all got it. Pasta. I'm gonna need you to go to the shorts, okay? Go to the short live account, or go to my YouTube shorts. Go to the other live stream where it's a short version. There's more people there, and that's where I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. So you got to go over there for me. Pasta, make sure you heard me, Pasta. You got to go to the other live stream, which is the shorts live. I'll talk this through here in a second, guys. Just bear with me. I'm trying to stay focused. Ten seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Pasta. Yeah. Pasta sounds nice right now, not gonna lie. That's not a good 5-minute candle close. That's not a good 5-minute candle close. All right, we're gonna comment. Comment hashtag shoulda. Comment hashtag shoulda in the live stream here. Pasta, you got to go over to the other one. Everyone comment should, SHOULD, hashtag shoulda to enter in for the giveaway. Hashtag shoulda. And it's only going to count for one entry, guys. So just know that. Dylan and Pasta, you guys got to go over to the shorts live stream. Sorry, guys. Because there's only 10 of you guys here. You got to go to the other one. Pasta Dylan. Pasta Dylan. Pasta Dylan. Come on, Pasta Dylan.
Order filled.
W's in the chat. W's in the freaking chat. W's. W in the chat. Freaking W's in the chat. What a comeback, guys. That was so risky. I closed a little early. We're down $800. Finally caught the short. Made $300 on the day. Totally happy with that. And we closed out for the dub today. Let's go. Let's give away these accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Done. Done, bro. Holy cannoli. Hey, where's my music at? All right. Hashtag shoulda. Everybody put their hashtag shoulda in. ABC, you got to go to the short sleeves, the short live. The short sleeve. I don't know what that is. The short live. Manny, thanks for the jewels, bro. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that does, but thank you. All right, guys, last time, comment hashtag shoulda. I did not. It's still open, but I only copy trade these, so I'm not going to separate them and trade separate. Oh, snap, you're right. I didn't close out the other one yet. Thanks, bro. Thank you. I'll stop it out for... I'll trail it here. GG's to you, bro, for reminding me. Okay. Everybody put their hashtag shoulda in. All right, what should I give away first? A 25K type 1 if I give the 25K first. Type 2 if I give the 50K first. You guys choose. Type 1 for the 25. Type 2 for the 50K first. 1, 25, 2, 50. 1, 25, 2, 50. One, two, two, one, one. Dang. It's even. What in the world? Okay, no. There's more ones. There's more ones. All right, 25K goes first. 25K goes first, everybody. Who said 2-1? Freaking Will. Of course Will would say 2-1. Oh, there you go. Mula said 12. Oh, man. All right, let's do it. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. Dylan. All right, Dylan, we'll do 5. Let's do it. Do we get stopped out here? All right. Break even on the eval. All right. Yeah, everybody good? Everybody got their comments in and their hashtag shoulda? All right. We're giving away the 25K first. 25K funded hero. Continue. 25K funded hero eval. One winner. Exclude duplicates. Filter by hashtag. Hashtag shoulda. And I think that's all correct. Confirm. Drum roll, please. Oh, okay, yeah. This weekend, I am going to add to my stream deck a drum roll sound. Drum roll, please. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legendary sports clips. I'm getting a haircut today. Let's go. Oh, wait. Sport clips like actual sports. Never mind. My bad. Sport clips is a haircut place, if you guys know that. So I'm getting a haircut today. Not from sports clips. Sport clips. Let's go. Sport clips, welcome. Or congratulations. Please join the Discord at the very top or in the comments section or inside of the description. I need you to join the Discord and message me directly. You're going to see me post you as the winner. And I need you to message me directly so that I can verify it's you. At everyone. Boom. Join the Discord. GG's. Join the Discord. I just posted you in there. And message me directly. FPS. Good job, brother. Good job today. Have a good day. All right, let's do it again, huh? $50K TX3 funded TX3 eval. Exclude duplicates. Filter by hashtag. Hashtag funded. Sorry. Hashtag shoulda. Confirm. All right, guys. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Sports clips. Unfortunately, you can't win again, just so you know. So if it is you, I have to push you over. Shoulda, please message me direct, or shoulda. Sports clips, please message me directly if you could in the Discord. I have a meeting here at 9 o'clock, so I gotta hurry up. Did I spell it right? Freaking Eric, you know what? Now you're making me doubt myself. I'm gonna do it again. Eric got me to doubt myself. 50K TX3 eval giveaway. Exclude duplicates. Copy that. Copy that. If I don't get back to you, Legendary, right away, it's because I'm in a meeting. And everybody can attest that I get back to everybody and everybody gets their account. So just bear with me, okay? Because I have a meeting I have to get into. Hashtag shoulda. Should. SHOULDA. I did spell it right. Okay, Eric. Ready? Start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Henry Paredes, 2406. Congratulations on the 50K TX3 funded account. TX3 eval, I should say. Congrats on winning the 50K TX3 eval. GG, Henry. Let's go. Henry, congratulations to you, brother. Please join the Discord and message me directly. Okay? Message me directly. I'm trying to do that right now on the live stream. It would help a lot, guys, because I just want to verify it to you. I mean, obviously, you'd be pretty lame if you're going to message me and it's not you, and you're going to message on as you're somebody else when you're not. You know, that'd be really messed up. All right, I'm going to see if this is you. I see you here. Okay, hey, it's me. Okay, anybody can get the screenshot. But hey, Legendary, type this in the chat. Type this number in the chat. In the live chat. And rejoin the Discord, and then Legendary, type in the number I sent you on Discord into the chat, please. Hold on, guys. Give me a second here. I got to message the team. Are you guys messaging me? Legendary. You gotta type that number in the chat, brother. Legendary, you there? Jameson, am I done trading? Perfect. All right, Legendary, you're locked in. Nice. Legendary, stand by. I need you to send something over. Crap. I need your first and last name, email. First and last name and email, sir. And then message request. What's up, Henry? Can you type in this number in the chat? Awesome, Henry. Yep, I just got it. Go ahead and type the number I sent you in the chat, please. Chat, great day. Look forward to popping in tomorrow for the stream. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks, bro. Eric, thank you so much, man. Shout out to you. Shout out to you for letting me know I forgot to close out the other account, so thank you. We broke even on it today. And Henry, go ahead and type that in there. Sent. Perfect. Thank you, sir. You got the 25K. Perfect. Henry, you're verified. I just need your first and last name. Everybody that's on the horizontal stream, you guys forgot. I don't know if you didn't see it. There's a vertical stream that I'm running. and that's where the giveaway actually happens. Guys, if you haven't done so, would love to earn a sub from you. If you haven't tapped the like on the screen, would be means so much to me also. Today was crazy. What a roller coaster, but we ended up with a dub. Appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace. Guys who won the accounts, be in the Discord. I'll see you guys soon.